to the day we begin again. Monday always has a bad rap, but it doesn't have to be bad. We wipe the slate clean, we start all over again. It's the 19th of June. It's the 170th day of the year. The day has been declared, among other things. Let's see, World Martini Day. I like that. And Las Vegas World Martini Day giveaway. I don't know what they're giving away in Las Vegas, but something. It's National Watch Day. It's World Sauntering Day. Very important. It's also World Sickle Cell Day. International Day of the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict.
Okay.
And it's Juneteenth, which is a big celebration and a now national holiday